Alright, welcome to week 6. Sorry I'm posting the video late, but yesterday was quite a busy day for me, and I kind of let the day get away from me, so I apologize for that. So welcome to week 6. Week 6, we're focused on our health and beauty company. We're focused on the financial analytics around the health and beauty company and creating a business balance scorecard, right? Keep in mind, business balance scorecard doesn't always mean it has to be a financial metric. It can be a non-financial metric. It could be a sustainability metric. It could be an employee, what I call employee happiness metric. It could be a customer happy, delivery reliability type metric. So make sure, and again, it's in the name, it's a business balanced scorecard, so it's not all financial, right? So make sure you cover that when you do your week 6 paper. The only thing due this week is the week 6 paper. And then make sure you go in. I can't stress it enough. I know you guys get tired of me saying it over and over. Make sure you follow the instructions. That's the key thing. You never know when some professor might stick into the instructions a point that says, stop here, don't do any more work, and call me or send me an email. I've had professors do that to me in the past when I was in your shoes to teach all of us a lesson. So please make sure that you follow every instruction and make sure you tie off each of the points in the grading rubric, okay? If you need any help, I'm the accountant, so I can help you out here. Feel free to reach out, and I'll give you help any way I can. So make sure you go through all the supporting materials, because everything is here to do your analysis. Make sure that the SWOT analysis is done. That should help you develop your questions and your details. And from those questions, you should be able to derive your KPIs, which most of you already have your KPIs. From your KPIs, you should be able to derive a list of KPIs to drive your business, which is what's called your business balance scorecard. So I know that's kind of a lot to absorb. So if you need any help, please feel free to reach out. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me, you can schedule the one-on-one. If you need to schedule the one-on-one, the instructions are located in the announcements. So other than that, I think I give all the feedback on the 2 week 4 assignments. Make sure you read that feedback. Again, if I give you feedback, it's only a suggestion for improvement. Sometimes I do that even though you may get a perfect grade. I'll give you some feedback that you need to add some more details. When I say you need to add more details to a section, that means maybe you rushed that section and you didn't clearly explain it. Just in a deeper way, right? You need to add some more details around a specific section. I also started grading the Uber presentations. I think I got about halfway through those yesterday. The rest of them I'll try to complete in the next couple of days and get those back to you. I hope that was a beneficial assignment. It's really good to be able to create, I call those pitch decks, presentation decks, because that's a key part of when you get a short time with a group of decision makers. You need to be able to give them bits, nuggets of information to make a decision. So you really have to come to an art of how to boil down suggestions and ideas and get that to a management team. So other than that, I hope you have a great week number 6. I'll also be sending out some emails about where you stand in the course, so please watch for your email out on those. You'll see those a little later this week. Other than that, I hope you have a great week. Take care. Make sure you read the instructions. Goodbye.